Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and this is our latest video for the Volvo XC60. This is the R Design all-wheel drive automatic. It's a 2 litre petrol, 11.6 kilowatt hybrid petrol plug-in T8 automatic. Car was first registered 25th of November 2019 on a 69 registration. Just the one owner from new. Car's finished in Fusion Red, benefiting from a full service history comprising 4 services in total, 3 of which were done by Volvo. Last serviced end of November 23 at 71,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 24th of November 2024 with no advisories. It's a Euro 6 petrol plug-in hybrid, so it's compliant with the ultra low emissions aims, producing 385 brake horsepower. It's got a brand new set of Ryken tyres on the front and the rears on the 19-inch R Design alloy wheels. As with the exterior of this XC60, likewise the interior is in very good condition. Features ISOFIX location points across both outer rear seats. The interior is the Napa textile with the contour front seats. Very high levels of specification internally. Satellite navigation. LED headlights, which are automatic with the auto high beam assist. Front and rear parking sensors. Active lane assist. Collision avoidance, road sign and speed sign recognition, partially electrically operated front seats, various driving modes, paddle shift, auto hold, AM FM radio, as well as DAB, twin USB inputs with voice control. Also features the large panoramic tilt and slide sunroof. This Volvo is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys. The tonneau covers present in the boot. There's a 12-volt plug-in hybrid cable. Full set of contoured tailored carpet mats also included. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Vehicles can also be reserved with a fully refundable £100 deposit. Thank you for watching this latest video.